Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of Android productivity apps, sharing my personal favorites that make my daily grind a whole lot smoother. You know, we all have those apps we can't live without, and I'm here to spill the beans on mine. In 2026, the app game is stronger than ever, and I've curated a list of free gems that will revolutionize your productivity. These apps are like digital assistants, ensuring you stay on top of your game, whether it's managing tasks, organizing notes, or automating mundane chores. Let's kick things off with Notesnook, the ultimate note-taking companion. What makes this app so appealing is its commitment to privacy with end-to-end encryption, ensuring your thoughts and ideas stay under lock and key. Unlike other apps, Notesnook doesn't skimp on features in its free version. You get a rich text editor, attachments, and even organizational tools like folders and tags. It's like having a digital notebook that syncs across devices, making it perfect for those who juggle multiple gadgets. Next up, Obsidian, another note-taking powerhouse. This one's a personal knowledge base, where you can store structured notes, research projects, and track your learning journey. The real magic lies in its plugins, which transform Obsidian into a customizable powerhouse. From advanced tables to graph views, you can tailor the app to your specific needs. It's like having a digital brain that remembers everything for you. Now let's talk about TickTick, the task manager extraordinaire. This app is a lifesaver for anyone drowning in a sea of to-dos. Its smart recognition feature is a game changer, allowing you to create tasks with just a few words. No more tedious date and time inputs. And for those recurring tasks like bill payments, it's like having a personal assistant that never forgets. Plus, the ability to prioritize tasks ensures you stay focused on what matters most. Trello is my go-to for project management. It's a Kanban-style app that lets you visualize tasks and track progress effortlessly. I love how it keeps me organized without feeling overwhelming. Trello's custom fields and subtasks make it a breeze to break down complex projects into manageable chunks. And the filter feature? It's a godsend for reviewing work and keeping clients happy. Time tracking is essential, and Toggl Track is my secret weapon. It's incredibly user-friendly, with a simple timer system. Just start and stop the timer as you switch tasks and Toggl does the rest. It's like having a personal timekeeper, ensuring you stay on track and don't overwork yourself. The calendar view provides a monthly snapshot of your productivity, and the widgets are a lifesaver for those on-the-go adjustments. Airtable is my database hero. Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet, perfect for structured data storage. I use it to keep tabs on review units, investments, and even office inventory. It's like having a digital assistant that remembers everything you own and where it is. Airtable's versatility is impressive, allowing you to customize boards for various purposes. Raindrop.io is the bookmark manager extraordinaire. It's like a digital library, saving articles, images, and videos for future reference. With its seamless sharing and organizing features, finding what you need is a breeze. And the search function? It's lightning fast, making it easy to locate that one article you vaguely remember. Last but not least, MacroDroid is the automation wizard. This app lets you automate repetitive tasks on your phone, saving you precious time and effort. From deleting old screenshots to rotating your screen automatically, it's like having a personal assistant that anticipates your needs. And the best part? It's all done with a few simple macros. These apps are like a digital toolkit, each serving a unique purpose. They streamline my daily routine, making me more productive and efficient. What's fascinating is how these apps cater to different aspects of our digital lives, from note-taking to task management and automation. It's a testament to the power of technology to simplify our complex lives. In my opinion, the key to a productive digital life is finding apps that align with your personal workflow and preferences. These apps have earned a permanent spot on my home screen because they understand my needs and make my life easier. So, what's your ultimate productivity app? Let me know in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going.